In this video, I'll show you some of the fun we got into at Halfway Lake Provincial Park, located in northeastern Ontario. I grew up going to this campground every summer with my family, so I'm very familiar with it, but it's been years since I've been back. My entire family is going to be spending the weekend camping here, which is pretty awesome since we don't often get the chance to all camp together. Here we are at Halfway Lake Provincial Park, and this time we're boondocking. We have no power, but we do have our solar panels out, and we've got our lithium battery set up now. So there's actually more power going into the trailer right now than there is going out. So we're pretty happy with this so far. We're here for the next couple days, so we'll see how it all goes. We were the last of the group to arrive at the park, so we quickly set up the trailer and joined the rest of the family on my mom and dad's pontoon boat. After exploring the lake for a while, we found a nice beach to stop at. This was a great opportunity to let the dogs play and for us to cool down in the lake. My dad and Zoe even decided to try their hand at some fishing.
I'm sure it's fine.
We always do better because most people couldn't fit on it. Are you?
It's hard to beat moments like this, surrounded by your family and enjoying the great outdoors. There's no better place to be.
Zoe, why are you fishing in the tree? I don't think there's fish in there, Zoe. You look like Huckleberry Finn right now. Yay!
Despite some struggles getting her lure untangled from the trees, Zoe eventually got back to fishing and had some success catching a few. Although it was tempting to stay at the beach all day, it was time to get back on the boat and head back to the campground.
How long can you maintain that face?
Not very long.
What is a tinfoil dinner?
This.
No, explain it because I've never.
The nice part about camping together is you get to make and eat meals together. Today's meal, what my family calls tinfoil dinners, is a throwback to my childhood. This was a staple meal every time we'd go camping. Basically, you load up meat, vegetables, potatoes, and spices into a foil plate, you cover it, and cook it over the fire. We ran out of room on the fire, so we pulled out the grill for the rest.
Oh yes, Zoe.
Gold right here.
How's that filming going, Zoe?
Going great.
Quality?
Yep. Quality is
Some
key.
good potatoes there.
Yeah, they're great.
Nice.
Really tasty.
I love a good potato.
Yeah, me too.
I ain't got many friends left to talk to.
And what better way to end the night than with a campfire and some singing?
You know I'd do anything for you. Stay tonight but keep it undercover. I just wanna use your love tonight. I'll use your love tonight. And honey, I stay on your love all the time.
Whistling solo, Ron. Take it. Keep going.
Time for another family favorite camp meal. We call these dough dogs. It's basically lightly seasoned bread dough, made into patties, cooked on a hot grill, and then served with jam or maple syrup. I loved these as a kid, and I still love them today. My niece and nephew, however, are skeptical.
So Zoe, what do you think?
It was really good. I
Yeah?
liked it.
Oh yeah?
Taste.
What about your brother? Does he like it?
After breakfast, we thought it would be fun to get everyone to try out our new electric scooters. These things take a bit of balance and are quite fast at full speed, but it didn't take long for everyone to catch on.
Is it scary?
That was awesome.
You went all the way around the block.
We did up to speed, the other
Here
speed.
you go. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Boy,
you.
helmet
See? Aren't you happy you tried it now?
Yes.
Yeah, I
was
thought
fun.
so. I thought so.
Anybody else? Aiden, you want to go with me?
Although the weather was starting to look stormy, we weren't going to let that stop us. We once again headed down to the lake for another pontoon boat ride with the entire family. Yeah, excellent. That's the best kind. He's probably okay, but maybe just put your arm around him. There you go. Zoe? It wasn't long before it started to rain, but it didn't matter. We were covered, and we were together. And despite this rain, Zoe, being the hardcore fisher she is, couldn't resist getting a few casts in. Before long, others started to join her, and a few small fish were even caught.
You're not slobbering now, hey? Trying to make it easier.
The rain continued for the rest of the afternoon and into the evening, but lucky for us, my parents have a 45-foot fifth wheel trailer, so we all piled in there for dinner.
Saying it was a Sarah Cameron.
Make her say it, Zoe.
I
Who's
don't know what
Skibbity?
Skibbity means.
Who's Skibbity?
I'm Skibbity. What the hell does Skibbity mean? Carol Coolidge.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.